Hi, I'm Hannah Love, and I'm interning at Mercantile, Disco, and Duckies in Seaside and Rosemary Beach, Florida. My day-to-day responsibilities include opening and closing the store, greeting, styling, and checking out customers, and from time to time, I work with the behind-the-scenes girls to do warehouse runs, tag, steam, and hang new arrivals, and even merchandising. To attain my internship, I emailed the owner showing interest in their store Disco in Rosemary and later received a phone call interview and was offered the internship almost instantly. I'm thankful for how much I was able to learn and getting to see the intricacies of running a small business, and in this case, three. And I learned the importance of customer service, the importance of organization, and the importance of your team feeling like a family. For future interns, don't be afraid to ask questions. You will learn so much more this way.